Hi friends, my name is Satej. Today I am going to explore the Indian river and their originates. If you new this channel, please like, share and subscribe. So let's start. First river is Ganga river. Ganga river is originates from the glacier in the Himalaya. Second river is Brahmaputra river. Brahmaputra river originates from the Himalayas and Tibet. Third river is Godavari river. Godavari river originates from the Brahmagiri hills in Maharashtra. Fourth river is Hindu river originates from the Mansarovar lake in the Tibetan plateau. Fifth river is Narmada river. Narmada river originates from the plateau in Madhya Pradesh. Sixth river is Krishna river. Krishna river originates from the western Ghats in Maharashtra. Seventh river is Mahanadi river. Mahanadi river originates from the Chhattisgarh in Karnataka. Eighth river is Kaveri river. Kaveri river originates from the western Ghats in Karnataka. Ninth river is Yamuna river. Yamuna river originates from Uttara in glacier Himalaya. Tenth river is Tapi river. Tapi river originates from Satpura range in Madhya Pradesh. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Let's see you in next video with next topic. Till when? See you. Thank you.